My name is Kula. I'm the principal of Elangeni TVET College. I joined Elangeni TVET College in 2016, so it's been 9 incredible years of growth, transformation, and service. There have been many moments to be proud of, but what stands out most is seeing the college grow from strength to strength, from improving our academic performance, seeing students graduating, and infrastructure to expanding our programs. It has been truly rewarding. Being part of Elangeni team means being part of a purpose-driven family. It's about leadership through service, working alongside with passionate individuals who are committed to changing lives through education. It's an honor and a privilege to serve this institution and the communities we impact every day. To the staff of Elangeni TVET College, thank you for your unwavering dedication, your resilience, and your heart. You are the pillars of this institution. This Workers' Day, I salute each one of you for the roles you play in shaping the future of teaching and learning at the college. Let us continue to work this journey together with pride and purpose.